Aries, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titingnan natin ang energies na parating sa inyong love life ngayong 2025. Ayan. So, if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share na rin, and comment kung kayo naka-resonate or you want to claim the reading. Okay, so let's see, Aries. What are the energies sa love life ng mga Aries ngayong 2025? Aries love life. Okay. Nasa healing process kayo, Aries. Pwedeng kayo ay nagkaroon ng issue or problema sa married life ninyo, no? So, yung iba na may asawa or kasal. Yung iba naman, maaring you have learned a lot from your past experiences. And merong tumutulong sa'yo ngayon para mag-heal. Yung iba sa inyo, you are undergoing therapy, no? Nagte-therapy kayo. O, diba? You are finding yourself. Going within. Big egos would lead this relationship to a darker place. So, pwedeng you are dealing with a person na mataas ang pride. Yung tipong hindi siya hihingi ng sorry. Dahil mataas yung tingin niya sa sarili niya. May mga ganon. Na kahit alam nila sila yung nagkamali or may pagkukulang sila, kahit na inadmit na nila yon, hindi pa rin sila magsusorry. Someone here is stalking the other person, yung tipong chine-check yung social media, getting information. So, maaring sa 2025, habang ikaw ay nag-heal from your past, there is someone na connected sa'yo before na still gusto niyang malaman kung ano nangyayari sa buhay mo. This can be a person na naging dahilan ng problema ninyo ng person mo. Can be a third-party situation for some of you. Or maaring yung person mo mismo. Kahit na magkahiwalay na kayo, still, once in a while, inaalam niya yung nangyayari sa buhay mo. And then, I think, Aries, ngayong 2025, mas pahahalagahan niyo yung sarili niyo. You are going to focus on what is important in your life. So, kung meron kang mga anak, yun yung bibigyan mo ng attention, sarili mo, you will be taking care of yourself more. Ganyan. Okay. Let's see what else. Pero, itong person na to, parang, some of you, yung mga ka-deal nyo in the past, still wants to know, no? Gusto nilang malaman kung ano yung nangyayari sa buhay mo. Gusto nila updated pa rin sila. Gusto nila malaman kung okay ka ba, kung nagdudusa ka ba, or parang gusto mo pa rin siyang bumalik sa buhay mo. Parang pinakikiramdaman. Yung iyong nararamdaman. Kaya, pinapakiramdaman yung nararamdaman. Kaya, yung iba, I suggest, parang maging tahimik sa social media. Yung hindi madalas na mag-post or yung talagang meron dito kasi na magtatago talaga eh. Yung tipong magkakaroon ng very, 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 very private life na ilalak niya yung profile niya sa Facebook or pagdating sa ibang social media, naka-private, alam mo yun. Ay, divine masculine. Ako. Itong lava is about courage. determination, passion. So, maaring there is, pwede meron kang makilala na person, romantic connection, especially a divine masculine, no? For some of you, na ito yung mag-open ng bagong opportunity for you when it comes to love. And alam nyo ba, kahit na nagkaroon na rin na kayo ng separation from your past, itong person nyo from the past kasi masyadong mataas ang pride, mataas ang tingin sa sarili. But deep inside this person still cares. Oo, may gusto pa rin niyang malaman nangyayari sa buhay mo. Spiritual connection. Oh my God. Aries. I see someone here connecting with a soulmate ngayong 2025. So maybe the reason why, kung bakit nagkaroon ng separation sa inyo in the past, and you are healing, kasi the moment na you finally heal from this past situation, dito mo na makikilala yung person na itinadhana para sa'yo. A love connection defies explanation. So, parang unexplainable. Parang serendipitous siya na yung alam niyo yung may tinatawag na string, red string, ganyan. Oo, na kahit nagkalayo kayo or you will still find your way to be together. Spiritual connection to, ha? Oh my God, oh. Romance. Oh my God, wedding. Oh. Baka yung iba sa inyo biglang ikakasal or magkaroon ng plans of getting married ngayong 2025. I see this for a new person, ha. Kung kayo ay nasa healing process, ganyan, you are finding yourself, you are focusing on mga, new beginnings in your life. So, yun yung nakikita ko dyan. May mga changes. Pero, kung kayo naman ay in a relationship, there is a possibility na lalo na kung kayo ay yung hindi pa ganun kaseryoso yung relationship ninyo. And then eventually, you will see yourself na parang getting so attached with this person, mas naiintindihan niyo yung isa't isa. There's a possibility na magkaroon ng mas higher level of commitment, which is yung marriage. Siyempre, kanya-kanya kayo ng, 'di ba? Love life. Iba-iba rin naman yan para sa iba-ibang tao. So, yung mga nag-heal, there is someone na darating sa inyo, divine connection. And if you are in a relationship, I see you na nag-up level. Nagle-level up ang inyong relationship ng person mo. Okay, so let's see what else. Okay, so you have Jupiter in Taurus. Wow. Ang ganda nito kasi Jupiter is the planet of abundance, good luck, good fortune, Taurus energy. This is very faithful energy kasi to. So, maaring pagdating sa relationship, you will find someone na stable connection, stable relationship, faithful, someone who will take care of you and you will take care of that person too. 'Di ba? Siyempre sa relationship naman, hindi naman pwedeng one-sided lang yan. So, dapat pareho kayong may effort sa relationship. Okay? And I also see you going to protect this relationship now with Thurisas. This is about being protective of your energies, kung ano yung naipundar mong relasyon, naipundar talaga. So, you want to protect that. Okay? And if you are single, tapos you are going through yung pag-heal, no? Kung nasa healing process ka, magiging careful ka pa rin naman, no? Syempre, mas magiging careful ka sa pagpili ng person. But you will know if this person is talagang para sa'yo. Mararamdaman mo. And then you will get into a very serious commitment this time around, ngayong 2025. Mm-mm. And then, itong Yera, this is about like a cycle that is ending. So, yun yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na pwedeng pagtatapos ng isang chapter sa life nyo. That's why there is a new opportunity, new beginnings. And then this Tiwas energy, this is about victory, courage. So whether you are in a relationship or not, no, yung priority mo ngayong 2025 will be yourself. Yung pag-aalaga mo sa sarili mo. Okay? So that is your reading, Aries. Thank you so much. Good luck on 2025. See you again.